Hey everybody, it's me on my third attempt at making a video, so I'm gonna be quick. Okay, so if you see this, it's called Chrome Remote Desktop. Okay, I found something pretty cool and I think it might help with me being here and you being at school. If you cannot figure something out via email with me or with an administrator or your teacher, you can't seem to figure something out, you can email me. And I'm going to show you what you can do. So if you go up to your little puzzles, that's your extensions. You see that? If you click right there, you can go down. You're going to see a new one called Chrome Remote Desktop. I'm going to go ahead and click to pin it so that it shows up right here. You can do that or undo that with some of your extensions to make it so there's not 80,000 of them across your page. Okay, so I'm going to click Chrome Remote Desktop, which is going to take me to this page. This one says get support and generate a code. If you click generate a code, it's going to give you 5 minutes in this code. If you get that code to me within the 5 minutes, you can click to copy and you could send it in to me via email, or better would be to give it to an administrator who can give me that code. And then from there, I can go onto my computer, type in that code, and from there, I'll be able to have remote access to your computer to help you solve whatever your problem happens to be. Okay, I want this to be a last resort, and if you can figure something out on your own, go for it. But check this out. So then I will be able to, if you allow it, you have to allow it, okay? If you don't allow it, I won't have access, but it says, would you allow Jay Walker to see and control your computer? You click share, and then I will be able to see what you see, and I can help you with logins and stuff like that, okay? This could be pretty cool. Don't overuse it. Bye, guys.